Hi guys, it's me. February 23rd, 2026. We just had a blizzard like last night into today. Just I finished up most of the driveway. Yeah, the neighborhood was like it was like snowed in. And the whole neighborhood got a lot of snow, over like 20, 25 inches. Some places got nearly 30. Yeah, I had to do a lot of all the shoveling myself. Garbage and recycling locked in. Yeah, it's been years since that we got a storm like this. Yeah, and well, we planned the street last night, but not today. I hope to do it. I hope to do it tonight. Yeah, came out early, did the most of the driveway, did what I can just now. The chair buried in snow. You can see like part of the backyard. A lot of snow back there. Yeah, hopefully we don't get any more. I hope there's no more snow. Can't wait for the spring to come. Yeah, I'm just trying to take a breath with the shoveling I did. Yeah, I wish I had a snowblower. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get to work tomorrow, unless they close it. Yeah, I don't want to go out today with the streets being bad. Hopefully, hopefully the snow will melt. It's supposed to be in the upper 30s or low 40s in the next few days. I guess I'll see you guys around.